Hi, today I'm back again with new videos. Today I'll be doing a glam look, which is for like dinner, like a night out. I will skip my moisturizing routine. If you guys have been watching me on my first video, you already know what I've been using. So after when I finish moisturizing my face, I will move on to priming my face. Today I will be using Too Faced Hangover Primer, silicone free with coconut water. Now moving on to foundation. I'm going to be using Makeup Forever Ultra HD in the shade Y335 today. Moving on to concealer, I'll be using Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This is in the shade Y31. So now we're going to move on to powdering my face. And I'm going to be using this Rimmel London Long Press Powder in the shade Transparent. I'm going to be using N.Y.C Smooth Skin Bronzing Powder in the shade Sunny again. See how much I love this product. Yep. And I'm also going to be contouring my nose as well. And then next, we're going to move on to my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using this Naked Heat palette again. Why not? I mean, you can create a lot of look out of one palette. First color that I'm going to be using is the third color, which is Sauce. Okay, now moving on to the second color. Now I'm going to be using the fourth color, actually the fifth color, which is Lumbre. It's kind of like a pink glittery color. Okay, now moving on to the third color, we're going to be using this color here. It's kind of like a reddish color. The fourth color will be this color. It's kind of like a purple color, which is called Ashes. And moving on to the Naked 3 palette, I will be using this color, which is the orangey glittery color. And we're also going to be putting the same color on the inner corner of your eyes as well. Okay, for my lower lashes, I'm going to be putting the color called He Do, which is this orangey color. I'll be using this Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in the shade Pink to highlight my eyelid. Not my eyelid, I mean this area here. And then I'll be doing my eyelashes now. Be curling it first. And now after I curl my eyelashes, I'm going to be using this Maybelline mascara. So this is how the applicator look like. I won't be doing my lower lashes just yet because I want to put my fake lashes on, which is this one. It's my first time, guys. Watch me look. Yeah, it looks good. It's my first time wearing it, so. Moving on to my lip eyes. Okay. And then now I'm going to be doing my lower lashes too. Okay, so now we are done with the eyes part. We're gonna move on to putting a blush, and I'll be using this Color on Naked Heat palette, Lumbre. And now I'm gonna be highlighting my face with this Bobbi Brown Shimmer Brick in the shade Pink. Move on to my eyebrows. I'm using this again. It's Maybelline, and this is in the shade Rusty Brown, which is like a reddish brownish color. Now moving on my lips, today I'm going to be using this Colourpop reddish burgundy color. Okay, this is like today's look. I hope you guys like it. Thank you for watching me today, and I hope you like this look. And if you have any suggestions, just comment down below. And also if you like what you see, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys. See you next video.